this free tutorial, we're going to show you on how to copy attributes and paste attributes completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more.
Assuming you want to zoom into a video clip, in this case I'm creating a video tutorial, and instead of basically having the exact same motion, I have to type in here, which might be a little bit hard. As you can see, it's a little different. I basically just want to copy this over to this clip, and just the whole timeline. So if we click copy and we highlight and then we click the keyboard shortcut, I can basically just paste the attribute. In order to do this, go to the top left hand screen and click edit and scroll down until you see the second to last option, keyboard shortcuts. And then on the search bar in the bottom left hand screen, type in attribute. Now basically under paste attribute, you want to click here and type in a keyboard shortcut on your keyboard. In this case, I have it to D, and then to remove an attribute, I have it to F. And then go to the bottom right hand screen and click OK. So simply we click Control C or right click and then copy, and well, we can just paste in the paste attribute shortcut and see how it copied. Or we can even click F to remove. And if you don't believe me, we can do it again. Let's say we're going to add here, zoom in, keyboard shortcut, paste attributes, and check this out.
Go down and scroll to the right.
Paste the attribute, and then check this out.
Until you see the option basic.
Boom.
Green to the right.
Boom, it's panning down completely for free. I hope this helps. Subscribe for more tutorials.